I'm actually just a second-year student. When I found out that I could get vaccinated here, I was kind of nervous at first. I wasn't sure how this process would go, but when the process was happening here, they sent emails to all the students. Everyone was very, very clearly informed about what steps they needed to take. The university has always been very good with communication throughout this entire pandemic, and now that the vaccine came out, the process of signing up, all I had to do was register. I got a text from Meyer and I set up the appointment, and then it was really quick and simple.
Much easier than I thought. Barely felt it. It was like a poke, so I'm glad that it doesn't hurt. My mother is about 65 years old, so I don't want to go back home with something, or about my family, I wouldn't want them contracting it. So if I can, I'm thinking about other families too. So if I can prevent that any way possible, then that's why I did get my shot today.
Yeah, both of my parents are vaccinated as well, but I mean, it's nice to know that we're keeping them safe and just they don't have to worry about it.
It feels good knowing that we're able to make it a little bit safer and less likely to get sick. So looking forward to that.
This year my family's Easter was canceled again, so I am looking forward to all of us being able to get together again. My grandparents have their vaccines, my mom got hers and everything, so I'm just looking forward to being able to do the normal family functions and everything, and being able to have the events on campus and everything else to just get back to somewhat of normal.
If the pandemic has taught us anything, it's the importance of human connection. See, I visit my grandpa at least 4 times a week, and we watch shows together like Jeopardy and whatever, and he received his Pfizer vaccine I think a month ago, and it's really great to be able to visit your family again.
Very, very excited to see what's to come. I know we're on the up and up, so hopefully we can keep that trend, and now that we're vaccinated, hopefully it's safer for everybody else.
Yeah.